Introduction to Cybersecurity and IT Basics. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the essential topic of cybersecurity with a particular focus on general safety measures when using computers. Given that we are an IT company, understanding these basics is crucial for maintaining both personal and organizational security. Understanding basic terminology. To kick things off, let's go over some common terminologies. It's important to be familiar with phrases beyond "I double-clicked the internet" button. Understanding the correct terms not only helps in clear communication but also aids in troubleshooting and learning more advanced concepts. What is a computer network? A computer network is essentially a group of two or more computers connected together to share resources. These resources can be data, such as files and databases, or hardware, like printers and hard drives. For instance, within our company, we have the ITML VMPC, a central PC where scanned files are stored. Any computer on the same network can access these files, illustrating the practical application of networked resources. The concept of networking. Networking is fundamental in the IT world. When computers are networked, they can share information and resources efficiently. This connectivity enhances productivity and collaboration. Imagine you need a document that's on a colleague's computer. If both computers are networked, you can easily access the file without physical transfers, saving time and effort. The role of servers. Servers play a critical role in networks. They are powerful computers that provide resources, data, services, or programs to other computers, known as clients. In our setup, servers manage various tasks, such as hosting websites, managing emails, and storing large files. They ensure that these resources are available to authorized users whenever needed. Introduction to the Internet. Moving on to the Internet, it's a vast network that connects millions of private, public, academic, business, and government networks. The Internet facilitates communication, data exchange, and resource sharing on a global scale. It's not just a single entity but a complex, decentralized system that relies on numerous interconnected networks. Understanding Internet protocols. The Internet operates on a set of rules called protocols. One fundamental protocol is the Internet Protocol, IP, which assigns a unique address to each computer on the network. This IP address acts like a postal address, enabling computers to locate and communicate with each other. When you type a URL into your browser, the browser uses the Domain Name System, DNS, to translate the URL into an IP address, directing your request to the correct server. Internet Service Providers, ISPs. Your Internet Service Provider, ISP, is the company that provides you with Internet access. ISPs maintain the infrastructure that connects your local network to the global Internet. They offer various services, including web hosting, email, and high-speed data transmission. Major ISPs include companies like AT&T, Verizon, and Comcast, each providing different levels of service and coverage. The World Wide Web, WWW. The World Wide Web is a subset of the Internet, consisting of websites and web pages that we access through web browsers. These pages are written in HTML and sent to our devices via HTTP. The WWW is what most people commonly refer to when they talk about the Internet, but it's important to remember that it's just one part of the broader Internet ecosystem. Role of web browsers. Web browsers are software applications that allow you to access and navigate the World Wide Web. Popular browsers include Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Opera, and Safari. Browsers interpret the HTML code from web servers and display it as the web pages we see. They also handle other web technologies like CSS for styling and JavaScript for interactive features. The importance of Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is a technology that allows devices to connect to a network wirelessly. It's incredibly convenient, especially for mobile devices like laptops and smartphones. In our company, most devices connect to the network via Wi-Fi. However, it's important to use secure Wi-Fi networks to prevent unauthorized access and potential security breaches. Ethernet versus Wi-Fi. While Wi-Fi offers convenience, Ethernet connections, wired connections, provide more stable and faster data transfer. Ethernet is less susceptible to interference and is ideal for stationary devices like desktop computers and servers. Both technologies have their advantages and are often used complementarily in modern networks. Email and cybersecurity. Email is one of the most widely used services on the internet. It allows for quick and efficient communication. However, it's also a common target for cyber attacks. Phishing scams, malicious attachments, and fraudulent links are prevalent threats. It's crucial to be vigilant and to use secure email practices, such as verifying sender information and avoiding suspicious links. Structure of an email address. An email address consists of 3 parts: the username, the @ symbol, and the domain name. For example, in user@example.com, user is the username and example.com is the domain. Each part plays a specific role in ensuring that your email reaches the correct destination. Email servers. Emails are sent and received through servers. When you send an email, it travels from your outgoing mail server to the recipient's incoming mail server. This journey involves various protocols, such as SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, for sending emails, and IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol, or POP3, Post Office Protocol, for receiving them. Email security. To enhance email security, always use strong, unique passwords for your email accounts. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, where possible. Be wary of emails asking for personal information or prompting you to click on unfamiliar links. Regularly update your email client and use reputable antivirus software to protect against malware and other threats. The importance of DNS. DNS, Domain Name System, is crucial for internet functionality. It translates human-readable domain names into IP addresses that computers use to identify each other on the network. If DNS is compromised, it can redirect users to malicious sites, making it vital to use secure and reliable DNS services. Phishing and cyber threats. Phishing is a common cyber threat where attackers attempt to trick you into providing sensitive information by posing as a legitimate entity. Be cautious of emails or messages that create a sense of urgency or require immediate action. Always verify the authenticity of the source before responding or clicking on any links. Public Wi-Fi and security risks. Public Wi-Fi networks, while convenient, pose significant security risks. These networks are often unsecured, making it easy for attackers to intercept your data. Avoid accessing sensitive information or performing financial transactions over public Wi-Fi. Use a virtual private network, VPN, for added security when using public networks. Using strong passwords. Strong passwords are essential for protecting your online accounts. A good password should be at least 12 characters long and include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information, such as birthdays or common words. Consider using a password manager to generate and store complex passwords securely. Regular software updates. Keeping your software up to date is crucial for cybersecurity. Software updates often include patches for security vulnerabilities that attackers could exploit. Enable automatic updates where possible to ensure you always have the latest protections. Conclusion. Understanding the basics of cybersecurity and IT is essential in today's digital world. By familiarizing yourself with these concepts and adopting good practices, you can significantly enhance your personal and organizational security. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and remember that cybersecurity is an ongoing process that requires constant attention and adaptation. Thank you for joining this session, and we look forward to delving deeper into these topics in future discussions.